It's not about luck or waiting around for the perfect moment. It's about composition, instinct, and truly seeing the people around you. And that can be learned.
Hey everyone, I am pro photographer Ian Plant.
Hello, my name is Pedro Thomas. I'm based in Leiria, Portugal. I'm a professional photographer.
My name is Alex Coghe. I am a street photographer.
The best street photography isn't captured by accident. It's built from a handful of deliberate choices. Here's what each of them does differently.
One thing I like to do when doing street photography is I just get out and explore. And I'm looking for interesting architectural or structural features or wall art that's painted on buildings, or areas where there is an interesting mix of shadow and light. And once I've found these really unique places, I sit and wait for people to walk by and to interact within the scene. So basically, I'm finding compelling compositions and then adding the human element as the final piece of the puzzle.
Composition should be a conscious choice, but also a sincere reaction.
When you see it, shoot first and evaluate later. Hesitation kills the moment. Go, you see it, and you shoot, and then you'll see if it turned out like you want. That's about it. I hope you enjoy this.